Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time and I miss uploading on this channel so much. So today I wanted to do a little makeup haul, a little jewelry haul, and show you all the fun things that I got recently. So to start, I want to show you guys my favorite jewelry, and that is from Ana Luisa. I love this jewelry brand so much. I love them so much. They're honestly some of my favorite jewelry. And they come in this really cute box. I got 4 pieces to show you guys. Now everything comes in this little cute pouch. It's so adorable. So first I want to show you these cute rings. Wait, I hope it's focusing. How cute! I can't believe how cute they are. And I would put them on like this and like this. They're just so cute. This is the Olivia ring and this is the Chloe ring. I will leave everything linked down below so you can check them out. They're honestly amazing. And I love Ana Luisa so much because they're an amazing quality brand for jewelry, but they're also very sustainable and ethical. And their prices are super fair too. And now they have like a bunch of sales for Black Friday, which is super exciting. Next, I'm going to show you guys 2 necklaces that I love, and they're so cute. I can't wait to show you. It's called Lev. It is so cute. It's literally a heart. I mean, look how beautiful that is. Just look how freaking cute it is, and it's a really nice size heart. It's just adorable, and it's not too heavy. It's so shiny, by the way, and it doesn't feel cheap at all. The last piece I want to show you is this adorable little butterfly necklace. It's so cute. It is super dainty. Look how cute these 2 are stacked together. They're so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, next I want to show you guys some of the makeup that I got. I'm so excited about it. The first thing that I got is the Naughty palette from Huda Beauty. It looks amazing. I'm sure you've seen it like a million times by now. This is what it looks like. I've already tried it and it's amazing quality. Like, the quality is insane. This slippery shade is so much fun. Look at it. Oh my god. It's so much fun. But it's a really awesome quality. I think I've already done a look on Instagram with it. I'm not sure. But I'm definitely going to be using it a lot. Next, I got a few things from Huda Beauty. I'm so thankful. Like, I love her so much. And she's like... And I love her so much. Like, she's honestly such an inspiration. So next I have the Huda Beauty Jelly Primer. No, this is the Water Jelly Primer. It's so cool. This is what it looks like. She has, I think, like 2 other primers, which I do have, and they work amazing. So I'm sure this one will work so well too. And I'm really excited to try it. Next, I have her mascara that she came out like a couple of months ago. And this is an amazing mascara. Honestly, it's one of the best ones. And it looks like a diamond, which is really cool. Next, I got the Huda Beauty Full Filter Skin Foundations. I am so excited to try this. I love her Full Filter Foundation. It's probably the most high coverage foundation I've ever tried. It literally is amazing. It looks like second skin. So I'm really excited for these. And I also got her brush, the Face Build and Buff, and look how dense that is. Oh my god. This is like a pointy thing for like, I'm assuming for like edges and stuff, but it's so soft. Then from ColourPop, I got the Ornate palette, which looks so cute. Look at that. And look at the packaging, and it's all like, it's so nice. The colors are beautiful. Next, from the same collection, I got the Elegant Lip Duo. That's what I have on right now. I just have the, not the liquid lipstick, but the, what is it called? The Velvet. I love their formula for the velvets. They're really nice. And I also have another ColourPop blush that I have on right now. It's a really nice like neutral color. It goes with everything. I love it. So again, from ColourPop, well, from Fourth Ray. I love Fourth Ray skincare. They're honestly like one of my favorites skincare brands. I love them so much. And I got their Daily Do-Over Makeup Removing Wipes. I've never tried their wipes. I'm not sure if this is new. This is like the first time they're coming out with wipes, but I'm really excited. I love all their skincare, so I'm super excited for this. And then I got their Oat face milk. I love their face milks. I've tried like so many of them and they're all amazing. They are so good for the skin. Like they're honest, they make your skin so soft and I love them. Can't take it off. Yeah, this is the Oat face milk. And basically what it says is that it's good for moisturizing. Because they all have kind of different uses, but this one's really good for moisturizing the skin. Then I think this came, this came in my BoxyCharm. This is the Natasha Denona. This is a Natasha Denona palette. In Peak. Yeah, this is in Peak. This is what it looks like. It's super cute. It's like all fall colors. I love it. Next, I have a ColourPop palette. This is the Stone Cold Fox, and it is so beautiful. Honestly, if I were to get like one neutral palette, like cool tone neutral, it would be this one. If you're looking for some nice cool toned neutral shades, this is the palette for you. Look at that. They're so beautiful. Honestly, I can't. And the quality is amazing. Also, I know some people were saying that there's some colors that look like they're kind of duplicates, and I think that in the pan definitely does look like some colors might be similar to each other. But when you swatch them and you put them on your eyes, they're completely different. They have completely different undertones, and they look completely different. So there really is not that much of a repeat in this palette. Okay, lastly, again from ColourPop, I got the Sandstone palette. And this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful, you guys. It is such a beautiful fall palette. I mean, even if you're not in the fall, you can still wear it, obviously. But it's beautiful. Anyway, so that completes my makeup haul of everything that I got lately. I will leave all the brands down below, and don't forget to check out Ana Luisa for their really cute jewelry. I'm literally obsessed with them. They're so beautiful, and right now they are having a sale, which is amazing. So definitely check them out for like Black Friday. They're really, really worth it. The quality is amazing. This is not my first time trying their jewelry, and everything that I ever had from them held up so nicely. I leave them linked in the down bar, so definitely check them out. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you guys so much. Bye.